Greetings from Southern Yankee Homestead. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Well, as you can see, we're back on the culvert job today. We got a nice big pile of gravel there. I'm having a little bit of a conundrum right now, though. I'm trying to figure out how to make this interesting, because we're basically going to be moving this gravel from here to here. I'm going to start by probably leveling this out, getting this smoothed out, and then I'm going to pack it in a little. Basically, I'm going to use the tractor. I'm going to load up the bucket with gravel, and I'm going to drive over this a lot with the front tires. Front tires are smaller than the rear, so they have a tendency to compact stuff a little bit better than the rears do. So that you know, we do have a B2650. I've got the bucket on right now with the box scraper. No backhoe today. And if you notice in the background, I got the grapple. The grapple is so I can pull some of the roots out of that dirt pile so we can spread the dirt. That'll come later. But for now, let me go ahead and get this leveled out a little and get our first load of gravel and see what happens. Alright, as you saw, I used the front end to pack in the gravel. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a lift in, probably 3 or 4 inches, probably not that much. Level it out, and then I'm going to drive over it again with a load of gravel in the front with the front tires. I found that the compaction works very good if you don't have a plate tamp, or in my case, I don't have a roller, so we'll use the tractor to roll it out. This should, once it rains, it should lock it in very nicely, and even without the rain, it should lock in pretty good. But let me go ahead and get a, go to time lapse so that you're not sitting here for 3 hours watching me go back and forth for 3 hours. tractor going by. All right, well, we're all done. We got our ramp in. I probably should have moved the tractor so that you could see what that came out to be. We just did a little ramp here. I then helped them out with, well, loading up some brush. We added some railroad ties to the edge to help hold the bank back a little bit on both sides. We also didn't take care of the dirt like we originally intended because the owner wants to do something else with it, so he wanted us to leave it there. Other than that, it's getting dark, it's getting late. We're about 20 minutes into, well, actually, I think it's 8 after something, so yeah. We're about sunset right now, so I need to get loaded up and get heading home. Hun's gonna be wondering where I'm at, and she's gonna be hungry. Although she's pregnant, she's always hungry. Sorry, Hun. Anyhow, hope you like this episode. Please comment, subscribe, and like, you know, the thumbs up button thing. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.